Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so excited to have every single one of you here. Today I am here to share my very first ever Boxycharm box. Just a little bit about Boxycharm, and I'm still learning. This is a monthly subscription box. There are 3 different levels. You can get the Boxycharm base box every month for $25, or you can get the Boxycharm Premium, which is what I got, for $35 a month. And then they also have a subscription box called Boxycharm Luxe that you get every 3 months. You get that box, the every 3 months. On that particular month, you don't get the Boxycharm base box if you are subscribed to it. So from what I've learned from watching my fellow YouTubers, if you want to get all 3 boxes, you have to create a separate account so that you can get the Boxycharm base box and then the Boxycharm Luxe box during the same month. So I don't know. I'm going to post a link down below for you guys if you're interested in your own. If I can find any kind of a discount code or anything like that to share with you guys, I will most definitely post that down below as well. As always, if you guys decide to get your own Boxycharm, let me know, and let me know what you got, because I'm nosy and I like to see what people get in their subscription boxes. Let's go ahead and dig in. I'm excited. I've never opened this box before. Okay. Here's what it looks like on the inside. And it says Boxycharm BTS, which I think they said means back to school. I am most definitely not going to be able to read this without my glasses on, guys. I apologize, but I want to be able to share all the information with you. So, apologies in advance. Please forgive me for the glare. I am so sorry, but blind as a bat and I can't read this. Next time I know to go through this and write it down all on another piece of paper before we get started. So, apologies again, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and see what we got. It is nicely packaged. Lots of bubble wrap. It's got some paper in here, right? Yep. Those are the products that we got. And then there's a palette, I believe, right here. And then I think I got this, which is a Rhubarb and Rose Creamy Lip and Cheek palette as a gift for signing up for their subscription. So let's check this out first. It's really heavy. It is by Seraphine Botanicals. I don't know if I've had anything by them or not. Have you guys? Let me know down in the comments what other kind of products they have. All right, so it is obviously very protected. Check that out. So we've got Creamy Lip and Cheek Palette. I've never had a palette like this either. It's all new to me. All new. Ooh, it does have a mirror. It is covered with one of those film things, but I'm going to cover it with the box just in case. Look at those. Are they not stunning? Absolutely stunning. And you can use those on your lips or your cheeks. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to dip into those. Wow. I highly doubt there's any information, but let me just check. Oh, there is. All right, Seraphine Botanicals Creamy Lip and Cheek Palette has an MSRP of $45. Wowza. Maybe that's not a gift for signing up. Maybe it does come with the box. I mean, if it's in there, then I don't know, guys. You know I don't pay attention to that. Okay. Next, we'll pull this out. This is Verb Ghost Oil Smoothing Moringa Blend Weightless Hair Oil. Very cool. This is 60 milliliters, and it is worth $18. It says, this weightless hair oil revitalizes strands from root to ends. Powered by moringa oil, this blend works to hydrate and fight frizz. It's proven to enhance shine by 75%. Always up for some good frizz control, because you guys know my hair gets a little crazy. Next, we've got Tarte Sea Glotion Skin Perfector. Here's the box it comes in. I like Tarte. I am familiar with some of their products, so happy to have gotten this one. Glotion has a safety seal on it, so I won't be smelling it. Let's see what we can find out about this. This is a $32 value. It says get A lit from within look with this instant complexion perfector inspired by the magical glow effect of bioluminescence. It gives a natural luminous glow onto skin with micronized pearls that reflect light to blur imperfections. Next, I've got some Tulip Dew Mist. It is fragrance-free, hydrating mist, and this is by Bloom Effects. Hopefully you guys can see that. I've got my light shining right behind it. I apologize. This is a very apologetic video, isn't it? This is 80 milliliters. Let's read about it just a little bit. We have Tulip Dew Mist. This is worth $34. Holy cow, $34. A multitasking face mist that delivers a brightening boost of antioxidants, plant extracts, and vitamin B3, C, D, and E to revitalize, refresh, and energize. It's designed to work as a humectant to prevent moisture loss. Plus, it's formulated with environmentally conscious BOV technology, a first of its kind for clean beauty. Perfect on bare skin, over makeup, or throughout the day as an awakening skin pick-me-up. That sounds nice. I love having these kinds of things that work. That way when I'm starting to get tired, I can just mist my face and wake up a little bit. Next, we've got some Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Ooh. Never had anything by Complex Culture before. Are these add-ons? I think I got this as an add-on. I don't know, guys. I don't know how Boxycharm works. If they put your add-ons in the box with it and then they still give you information on the card. We'll get it figured out for next month. Calm down, don't stress. Chaos Jenn to the rescue. So this has a value of $58. It's heavy. Sonic Power Tool delivers a modern facial massage to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieves facial tension, and help tone facial contours. Give yourself the daily luxury of an at-home massage to temporarily smooth and sculpt skin, rejuvenate and sculpt your skin in just a matter of minutes whenever you can squeeze it into your routine. You can even keep this in your car and just be like, waiting for the light to change or whatever. So definitely, I'm excited to have all this stuff. This is a good box. And then lastly, we've got this palette here, Milk and Honey. I can read it through the packaging. Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette. I love that packaging. And then it just slides out like this. Oh, that's gorgeous. This is by Beauty Bakery. I have heard of them before. I think they used to have their own subscription box at one point. Oh, wow. Yeah, I smelled it. The honey thing just made me want to smell it. Sorry. And there you go. Look at the little imprint on that. Isn't that cute? It's a little honey stick. Beautiful. Can you see all the shimmer in that? That's gorgeous. Highlighter palette. And it says, Oh Honey. This one. We've got Oh Honey right here. This is Queen Being. Spoiler alert. And Be Sweet. Very, very pretty. I watched a lot of unboxings and I haven't seen anybody else open this. I know they look at their boxes and they can tell like what version they have of the box. How do I do that? I don't know. Where do I look? Is it this information down here? Is that it? Or is that it right there maybe? I don't know how you tell what version of the box. I will find out for next time. I should have been more prepared. All right, beautiful friends, that is everything that I got in my very first glossy box. Thanks for being patient with me. I will get this box figured out yet, I promise. If you haven't already, if you give me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote my videos so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. Guys, if we're not already there, we are real close to 800 subscribers, which means fantastic 800 subscriber giveaway. I've already got everything all put together. All we need to do is get to those numbers. So please, if you're not already a member of my YouTube family, or if you know somebody who would enjoy this kind of chaos, please hit that subscribe button down in the corner. I would love to have you. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.